Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be talking about hyperhidrosis. Hyperhidrosis is just a fancy word for sweat. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways to combat this problem. So keep watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. So let's get into it. So I really wanted to do this video because my daughter used to sweat all the time and I really didn't know why. It was like we were buying so many different deodorants and changing up soaps and just trying to figure out what was really going on and why her underarms were sweating so much. So I finally decided to take her to the doctor, and that's when I first heard the word hyperhidrosis. That's when the doctor explained to me that she had an excessive sweating problem. So she went ahead and prescribed some medicine for her. But before I went and filled the prescription, I wanted to look online and see if I can find some things to do for her naturally instead of using the medicine for her underarms, which I did. And it really worked for her. That's why I want to share this video with you guys, because I found 2 different things that I used for her that really worked. And one of the things that really worked for her was the benzoyl clay mask. And that's when you take some benzoyl clay and you mix it with some apple cider vinegar. But it's not just regular apple cider vinegar. You want to be using the apple cider vinegar with the mother. So I'm going to be showing you guys the first step that I use to helping her out with the excess sweat under her underarms. Alright guys, so you want to get yourself some benzoyl clay. And there's really no measurement to this. I'm just going to take a couple of spoonfuls out and put it in here. Do a little bit more. And I have some apple cider vinegar here with the mother. So you want to pour these 2 ingredients in together. And you just want to mix them up until it's a paste. So you might have to play with the ingredients a little bit just to get it to the right consistency. And this is going to help pull all those toxins that's in your underarms out. I'm going to add just a little bit more benzoyl clay in, just so it can be a little bit thicker than what I have it here. Alright guys, so that looks like a pretty good consistency here. Not only can you use this under your underarms, you can use this on your face for a face mask to draw out the oils or what have you, to help with acne or oily skin, or just to do a detox on your face. Alright guys, since this is ready, I'm going to show you guys how I use this. Alright guys, so I have a brush here, and this is like one of my daughter's old makeup brushes that she got from the dollar store. You can use something like this, or you can use something like this, or you can just use your hand. So I'm going to be using my daughter to show you guys how to use this detox under your underarms, because she's very athletic. She plays lacrosse and she has practice every Monday and every Wednesday, and she has games every Saturday. And the weather has been heating up and she was noticing a lot of extra sweat, and this detoxifier really helped her out as far as the sweating and brightening up under the underarms and with odor. So I'm going to show you guys how I put this on her. And she's camera shy, so she doesn't want to be shown, but I'm going to show you guys how I put this under her underarms. So before you use the detox, you want to make sure that you've washed your underarms and thoroughly dried it. So what you want to do is go ahead and paint this under your underarms. And this can get a little bit messy, so you might want to put on an old shirt. Alright, so this arm is done. I'm going to have her turn around so I can do the other arm. And you want to do the same with this arm. Now after you finish putting this under your underarm, you want to let this benzoyl clay dry up. So it's going to take around 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to let this dry up under her arms, and after it's finished drying up, I'll show you guys what the next process is. Alright guys, so her underarms are dry now, so I'm going to go ahead and have her rinse this benzoyl clay off with some warm water. Now that I showed you guys the first step and helping her with the sweating under her underarms, I'm going to be showing you guys the second step. And the second step is something that's really inexpensive, and you can find it anywhere, and it can be in liquid form or you can actually use the fruit. And that is lime juice. Now if you don't have lime juice, you can use lemon juice. Alright guys, now that her underarms have been rinsed off and we dried them, we're going to take that lime juice and we're going to give it a couple of sprays on each arm. Now that we sprayed her underarms down, you want to let this dry and you're good to go the rest of the day, guys. So I know you guys may have some questions as to why the lemon juice or the lime juice works to stop the sweat and the odor under the arms. And it's because of the citric acid that's inside of the lemon juice and the lime juice. That citric acid actually kills the bacteria that's under your arms that causes the smell. And it also helps with the sweating. And that's how the lemon and the lime juice actually helps to stop the odor and the perspiration underneath your arms. So what I did was I took some lime juice and I put it in a spray bottle. And instead of her using deodorant, we would spray this on her underarms in the morning and at night. Not only did this help her with the smell under her underarms, it also helped with her sweating. And it also helps to brighten and lighten the skin under your underarms. And this works so good that I've even stopped using deodorant myself. So now I just use lemon juice and it works amazing, guys. Just trust me. If you really want to stop that smell under your arms and all the sweating and you want to do it naturally, just use lemon or lime juice and I guarantee you guys it will work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to help you guys out with some of the questions and answers for any sweating problems that you may have. And if I did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.